Axsel, the new brand of wood chippers for gardeners, landscapers, contractors, and biomass producers. Axsel is the name of an extensive range of robust machines for collecting, chipping, and grinding trees and forest residues. Based on more than 15 years of experience, our engineers know what really matters: the highest quality, capacity, and efficiency by ensuring the lowest maintenance and processing costs. It's vital to us to ensure that our chippers work reliably at any terrain and at all circumstances, by which we mean that our chippers produce high-quality chips, perform flawlessly, and, above all, are always on duty. In 2018, we formed a strategic partnership with Pezzolato, the Italian producer of high-quality, robust chippers. In Pezzolato, we found the ideal partner, as they share our vision of quality and innovation. Combining our strengths has brought us more knowledge and in-house experience. We have a team of 15 engineers and 150 specialists that continuously improve our broad range of quality chippers. At Axsel, we use the very latest production techniques, and thanks to our 2 production sites, we're also able to fulfill custom orders quickly and efficiently. All machines are tested at a test site, where functionalities and components are thoroughly assessed by our quality team. The same applies when it comes to the quality of the chips. The test site is linked to a power plant, where the produced chips are directly used to provide green energy. An Axsel chipper is always on duty. This is backed up by our service division, which gives support across most of Europe. With 5 service vehicles out on the road and an extensive stock of spare parts, we aim to provide next-day delivery of components to site. We deliver quality and innovation. We are a no-nonsense, service-oriented and reliable company. And we are known for our dedication by putting your business targets first. Axsel is the partner that grows with you. Axsel, never off duty.